Are you ready to skyrocket your website's credibility and visibility, turning casual browsers into loyal customers? Let's dive into a quick guide on ranking your domain name higher on Trustpilot. First, claim and optimize your Trustpilot business profile. Fill out every field completely and accurately, providing detailed information about your company, location, and the services you offer. Next, actively invite customers to leave reviews using Trustpilot's automated invitation tools. Aim for a consistent stream of recent reviews to signal activity and trustworthiness to potential customers. Third, engage with both positive and negative reviews promptly and professionally, showing customers you value their feedback and are committed to resolving any issues. Make sure you analyze your reviews regularly to identify areas of improvement in your products, services, or customer experience, turning feedback into actionable insights for your business. Finally, display your Trustpilot reviews and rating prominently on your website, building immediate trust with visitors and encouraging conversions. By consistently implementing these strategies, you'll not only boost your Trustpilot ranking but also enhance your online reputation, leading to increased traffic and sales. #TRUSTPILOT #online reputation.